never wanted to be famous. I did not build this to be popular. I wanted to be effective. I came in the building and I sat down, and without talking to you or turning my head or looking at you, I could feel you worrying about me. And though the performance was amazing, it was hard for them to do it in an atmosphere almost like preaching at a funeral because you were worried. I come to tell you I'm okay. I'm okay because I never told you I was perfect. I never put down nobody. I got my own flaws and my own faults, but I didn't do that. That ain't the kind of stuff you forget. Come here. I'll give you time. This girl right here. Leather and lace. Classy and steel. Steady in a storm. This girl right here. We pray for you today. Lift your hands. We pray for you.